Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is Canon Maxify GX2050. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to a wireless network with smartphone. After you fill up the ink tank, install print head and load paper, and also you will proceed and ask you, do you want to connect a computer or smartphone to this printer? Then you select yes. Then it will ask you to install the app to continue, or you scan the QR code. What we want to do is we're going to go to our mobile phone, go to Play Store. You can scan the QR code and it will still take you to Play Store for you to install Canon Print app. So go to Play Store, install Canon Print app. Install it and download it on your mobile device. Open it up. I got a printer here before that I want us to remove. I'm going to select switch, then remove this previous printer, then go back. Now we're going to search for printer. Select search. It will ask you, is your printer listed below? When your printer is dictated on the next screen, tap the button to connect. Select next. Printer is found. Connect to device. Canon IG01999 Canon GX2000 series. Then you select connect. Connected. Processing. So you found the network. The printer will be connected to the following wireless router. Then you select yes. Communicating with the printer, and also from the screen we show you please wait momentarily. So it's communicating with the printer. This may take more than 150 seconds. Easy wireless connect has been completed. Then you select OK. We'll show you the screen, but you need to wait also for the process to complete on your mobile phone. So the printer is connected to wireless network. Then select OK. Then close this. It's connected. And this is the printer GX2000 series online. So from this, you can print documents, you can scan documents with the app, and also if you go to the screen, it will show you your mobile phone and the Wi-Fi reception. So we're going to print a document. To print documents, select print documents. From the app, select documents, then go to the file and select particular document you want to print out. Once you select the document, this is one-page document, then select next, then select change settings, select number of copies, the size A4, same as original, media type, plain paper, and we want to print this in color, two-sided, simplest. The document we have here, we are printing out is one-page document. Then you select print. This is the document we printed out. We'll show you printing is completed. Then you select OK. So this is how to connect this printer to a wireless network with your mobile phone. Print out a document to confirm that the printer is working. And this is the app. This is Canon Print app, and the printer is showing us ready. Thank you very much indeed.